Hello everyone, this is 10X Generation. This is my road to $1 billion. I'm building a decentralized cloud gaming platform where you can earn passive income by sharing your PC and your games with others through the internet. So I made some progress. I got the login, log out working completely. Today wasn't a super busy, heavy programming day. My granddad came over and he's as much as into technology as I am. So we got some lunch and we were just talking about the future of technology, the present and the past of it. And he's very attuned with the stuff. And he was just telling me about, how his family just got when he was growing up, they got the Model T that Ford produced, and just the history of the phone and putting it all into context, all the stuff that we have now. And that's really interesting to see. And I asked him, in context of the Vision Pro, what would I let him use it and everything. I asked him what app would he, what do you think would be a cool app? And he gave me an amazing idea. He said just cards, right? Basically cards where you just have a deck of cards and then you can invite people and you're in a room and then you have a virtual deck of cards. And you can play whatever game of cards you want to play, but yeah, it's just like a virtual deck of cards and you could play cards using VR. And I was like, wow, that's a really good idea. So I told him I'll start. I don't have a whole bunch of time, but I promised them that tomorrow, Sunday, I'll spend some time working on that. So getting Unity, getting Xcode, just figuring out the I think it's called the Vision or Environments API. I forget what it's called, but Apple's API to actually interface with the Vision Pro. I'll get that up and figure out how to start using it tomorrow. So that's really cool. But yeah, in context, not context, but what I need to do with this business next. Next thing I have to do, so I have login, I have some basic API stuff working. Now I need to make it so that you can create computers, you can add games to computers, and get all that working. So just the computer management stuff. So when you log in, you can put in your username and password, and then you can see all your computers, and then you can add more computers and add games, and then you can host it. And then at that point, I'm going to move over to the user side so that you can search up games, and you can find computers, and you can search games by what is available now, and you can play the games. And then last thing, so day number 3, or 3 days from now, hopefully I can get that that key correspondence. So if someone hosts it and someone wants to join, there's this back and forth, and then the connection is made. So we're not that far off. And in the meantime, I'll do some more designing stuff just to make it a little bit more visually appealing. But I think it looks okay right now. But yeah, we're fairly close. This web app stuff is a lot simpler than I thought it was gonna be. I said it before, I'll say it again. I should have just did that first. Should have just did the web app first. This is a lesson out of all this. Don't underestimate what you're able to do. Don't underestimate. Sometimes you will do all this extra stuff, going all types of ways, trying to be creative, trying to be, I don't know, whatever, when really it just comes from a place of insecurity, thinking that you can't do it, so that you don't even kind of try doing it. I didn't think I could make a web app in time, so I just did some other thing that I thought would be easier, and turns out that was a lot harder, and it didn't work. So just, if you know something is the right way, don't underestimate, don't say you can't do it. Just go ahead and do it, jump right into it, and it may be easier than you expect. It may be harder, who knows, but at least you're jumping in exactly what you need to do and not taking some roundabout, obscure, convoluted way. That's what I did. I wasted a lot of time because I did spend about a month or 2 on that Discord bot, only for it to be thrown to the wayside because it's just not a good method to doing what I want to do. So just clear vision, confidence, and just go for it. And yeah, I should have did it first, but it's whatever. It's a learning experience. Now I know how to make Discord bots. So if I ever need to do that, I could just make a Discord bot. No tutorials needed. I could just do it. So that's cool. Is that it? Oh, last thing. So Apple, well, I actually won't go into that. But yeah, that's really it. Thank you all so much for watching. This is 10X Generation. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I make these videos every single day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have an excellent rest of your day.